Hi, everybody. This is Patrick from Doggy Dashboard, and today I'm going to show you how to use this financial forecasting spreadsheet for opening up your new dog daycare business. So, to give you a brief rundown, we're going to make some financial assumptions about your future business, and then using those financial assumptions, you're going to be able to get a forecast of how much money you'll be making per month, how long it will take you to pay off your past expenses, and things like that. And so if we look around, anything in yellow here, these yellow boxes, these are where we're going to need to fill in values, a financial value. Everything else, we don't want to put any numbers into them because they're automatically calculated using background formulas. So we have some yellow boxes here. Here we have some yellow boxes, which are the number of daily daycare pets. So how many pets will be coming in each day of the month, basically. Then we have how many hours, excuse me, how many hours our employees will be working per month, as well as equipment purchase. But we're going to quickly change this into be called startup costs because it makes more sense. There's equipment purchase as part of that, but this will be all of our startup costs. And then if we go down here to the bottom, you can see that we have a monthly cash flow as well as a yearly net profit. When we have the monthly cash flow, it's going to show us how much money we're making each month. And the yearly net profit will show us where we're at with paying off our past expenses, as well as our future profit. So let's just get started here. We're going to start with the rent per month. Let's say we pay $750 per month in our rent. Our utilities are going to be $50 a month. The insurance is going to be $75 a month for our business. Business expenses here, this is going to be things like marketing, software, dog treats that you give out to your clients. I mean, just basically anything, your monthly expenses for supplies, toilet paper, coffee, you name it. So we'll put $250 here. And then for the employee hourly wage, if you have employees, you'll want to put something here. Let's say we're going to pay our employees an average of $12.50 an hour. Oh, no, excuse me, not 12,500. So we have to go back and we're going to put 12.5. We'll do 12.5. It's rounding it right now. We'll change this rounding here. So it goes 12.5. There we go. And the average daily daycare price. So the daily daycare price is what you think you're going to be charging your clients per daycare session. You might charge some clients $20. You might charge some $35. I mean, it's really hard. There's so many different possibilities. So here you just want to make an average assumption of your basic price. Let's say if we charge some $20 a day and we charge some $30 a day, let's say our average is going to be 25, and we'll put 25 here. Now we're set. So now if we scroll down to the bottom right now, you can see that we have all of our revenue is still blank. There's no revenue, but our cost calculations have all filled in with the details that we have. And you can see right now we have $1,125 a month in fixed expenses. So every month we're basically in the red, 125. And then every month, if you don't make any profit and you keep spending it, you can see that at the end of 12 months, you'll have spent $13,500 and you'll be in the hole. But now once we start adding in revenue, we'll get up there a little bit higher. But first, let's quickly do the rest of our costs. So for startup costs, let's say it costs you about $5,000 to start your business. This could be legal fees. This could be buying a domain name. This could be leasing out your property. Maybe you had to put down some money before you started leasing it. Basically, the cost to start your business, it's a one-time thing that you put money down for, as well as just basically the cost to start your business, because up here at the top we have the business expenses per month, which is completely separate. That's things like printer ink, coffee, dog treats, but you didn't have to spend that money to start your business. And then let's go to hours. It says number of employee hours per month. So a full-time employee will work 160 hours per month. That's 40 hours a week for 4 weeks per month. So let's say we have one part-time employee. That would be 80 hours a month, 20 hours per week times 4 weeks, 80. So let's say we have 80 hours a week, 80 hours for the first 6 months, and then we get so big that we have to have another part-time employee. So now we're 160 hours per month. You can see as I put these numbers in, the employee salary column is starting to fill in right away of how much we're going to have to pay in salary each month. If we have 160 employee hours and we're paying them $12.50 per hour, that's $2,000 in payroll. So these numbers in yellow are playing in the background with a lot of these different fields here. So salary is going to be the amount of hours times the hourly wage. And so now you can see our business is going very deep into the hole. We're spending, the first month we spent $7,125. The next month we spent $2,125, and it goes on from there. You can see down there on the yearly profit, it's continuously going deeper in the hole. First we spend $7,000. Then the next month we spend $2,125, which gets added to the $7,000 we already spent. Now we're down $9,250, and it just keeps on declining. So now we need to start making some revenue. So now we come up here to the number of daily daycare pets. How Doggy Dashboard calculates your revenue is it says we have 25 days per month when you can have daycare, which would be Monday through Friday. So Monday through Friday for 5 weeks. Basically, there's 25 days per week when you're doing daycare. The other 6 days are going to be weekends when you won't be doing daycare. So we want to say how many pets are we going to have each day during the month? This is once again a guesstimate. But let's say during the first month, we only have 3 dogs per day that come in for daycare. So they come in Monday through Friday every week. And so you can see in the first month, we made $1,875. Let's say the next month we have 5, and then we go to 7, and then 10, and then 12, 15, 16, 17, 19 the next month. On month 9, we hit 20. And let's say our maximum is 25 a day. So we get 21 the next month, 23, and then finally the last month of the year, we have 25 pets per day at our business. So now you can see during the first month, you make $1,875, having those 3 pets come in every single business day for the month. Then when you go to the end of the year, we have 25 pets a day coming in. And if they come in every single day for every business day of the month, you're going to make $15,625. So now if we scroll down to the bottom, we can see that our business is starting to make money now. We're actually in the green here instead of in the red. So the first month we are down 5,250 because we spent 7,125, but we made 1,875 here at the top. However, the next month we are now in the positive because we spent 2,125, but we made 3,125. So we made $1,000 in the green. However, we're still paying off that initial startup cost of $5,000. So even after month 2, we're still $4,200 in the hole. But you can see as the time goes on, month 3, we're still in the hole. But month 4, now we are up $2,125 profit for the year. And you can see here by the end of the year, your 12th month of business, you'll be making $12,500 in clean profit. And then you'll be having had made $74,125 in income for the entire year. This, of course, does not take into account paying taxes on this money. That's a whole different story. This just shows you how much money you'll be making. You have to decide how much you need to pay in taxes, and you should talk to your accountant for that. So I hope you enjoyed using this little spreadsheet. Excuse me. And you can go up here and play with the numbers then. So let's say if you want to increase daycare price to $45 a day for whatever reason, you can instantly see when you scroll down that now you made $162,000 this year. And let's say if you want to drop the daycare down to 20, but say you have a few more pets, say you have you increase your capacity and you do 5, 10, 15. And now we're just going to copy these over so the numbers keep getting bigger. And now you can say, let's say we get up to 60 pets a day, we make $30,000 a month, and at the end of the year, we've made $158,000, and we're making $26,875 a month in profit. So that's how you use this nice spreadsheet. If and when you start your business, I ask that you check out Doggy Dashboard. That's my company. We are an online software company for dog daycares, dog boarders, dog kennels, you name it. You can use our software to keep track of pet information, pet vaccines, schedule appointments, pretty much do anything you need to do for a doggy daycare business. Doggy Dashboard can do it for you. And it's free for the first 10 pets and clients that you put in the database. So you can play around with it for free as long as you want to until you hit that 10 pet limit and see if you like it. After that, the price goes between $25 and $35 a month, or $250 and $350 a year if you want to go for the yearly fee. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, contact me, Patrick at doggydashboard.com. Thank you very much and have a great afternoon.